Hello everybody, it's the drummer 12382 here and welcome back to the channel. Today is episode 2 of Slime Rancher. Today I would like to be able to get the automatic feeders today. Hopefully auto feeder. It's only 500 bucks. An auto feeder will drop food into the coral at regular intervals. Just a reminder to keep it stocked. That would be very nice, and as well maybe the Plort collector would be cool too, so I don't have to go in and back up the plorts. And maybe we can try and feed our little guys here, our tabbies, because they need food as well. They can't just not have food. So let's see if the chickens are doing well. They are. Do I have to? Okay. Vitamizer, the very latest in advanced poultry tech. The Vitamizer bathes the chickens in Vita rays, allowing them to grow into healthy hens and roost rows twice as fast. Okay. I have no idea how to like speed up chicken growth or anything like that, so that's something that I'm gonna have to do. New upgrade available. Pulse wave adds a pulse emitter. Adds a pulse wave emitter feature. Okay, I couldn't read that fast enough because I'm a slow reader. Maybe we can as well get an upgrade. Dash boost would be nice. Take boost. Okay, let's go ahead and go around and collect some plorts because I need them. And we could see about collecting other species of slimes as well, like rock slimes. We already have tabby slimes. We can try and go around and try and explore new areas too. That would be cool. I would like to get some new areas on the map. But ooh, a chicken do. I can throw that into not the hens, the cages with the chickens. Where can I get rock plorts? Thank you. Any more plorts just lying around? That's a hen. Need all these plorts. Get out of here. No, give me that. Give me the rock plort. Thank you. Rock plorts. God damn. Rock slimes suck. They suck. They suck. Wait, you guys will send your hands to our tabbies. Because our tabbies. Oh, they're okay. I need more rock plorts. Okay, maybe, yes, there's a rock plort. Take those. There's a rock plort. And no more rock plorts around. Ow! Tabby cat distracted me. Okay, let's put these plorts back. And we can go ahead and feed our tabby cats as well. Thank you guys so much for the love on the last episode. I really do greatly appreciate it. This game is a lot of fun and I'm having a lot of fun playing it. How are you guys doing today? I hope your day is going well. It is, what day is it today? It's Sunday. Hope your guys' Sunday is doing phenomenally. Boom, boom. Okay, let's throw this hen in there, and in there. Let's go ahead and turn these plorts in. How is the market doing today? Down. That's okay. Still money. Okay. Now, let's open a new corral. And let's put some rock plorts in here. Corral. No, that's a garden. God damn it. Can I change it? Demolish. Oh, it costs 100 plorts. Fun. I can't believe I just did that. I feel like an idiot. Because I am an idiot. I should feel like an idiot. There's land back there. Let's go see what that is. I didn't even realize that there was stuff back there. So let's go back there right now and see what's up. What is back here? What is this? Oh, I can't. The lab always allows you to begin your career as an amateur unlicensed slime scientist. Okay. Can I feed? Are these ready? Those are not ready. Oh, they are. Come here, carrots. You're gonna feed these guys. Plorts. Try not to suck up. Carrots. Wasn't it a thing that like feed them their plorts? Make them bigger? Is that not a thing? How did you escape? Come here. You little ass. I need to higher walls is 350. Yeah, you need to stop trying. You need to not escape. Because they stack up on top of each other, and that's how they get out. They just stack up on each other and they leave. Okay. Let's go ahead and oh yeah, demolish plot. And then corral. It's 250, so that's okay. Let me put these back. Don't know how I still have them. Give me a plort. Okay, now I'm gonna go back out. Even though it's almost nighttime and I should be preparing to go to bed, I need these plorts. This episode is just about plort hunting because fucking without plorts, I can't have money. What about these guys? All these plorts. All these magical plorts. Make my world go round. They truly, truly do. Because they make me money. I didn't know we can go back there. Oh, hello. This is like a little sanctuary for pink slimes. Fun. That sucks that I can't, like, have... Oh, they eat meat. Yeah, okay. It sucks that I can't just... Actually, I want... Okay, let's get out of here. Let's turn these plorts in. Get some money. A lot of tabbies. I have no idea where I'm at. No, don't go down. 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 You'll die. You'll die if you go down there. Alright, now I know where I am. I know where I am now. That's all that matters. Okay, let's turn these plorts in. Make more money. turn this into a corral. Cool. Turn these guys in with the other tabbies. Look, you guys have friends. And then let's go back out and go get some rock slimes so that we can have more other types of plorts. And I'm pretty sure rock slimes eat meat? If I remember correctly. Where am I going? It's the wrong way. Run out of sprint. Go this way, this way, this way, and then left. And then across the bridge. Oh, you're a new type of slime. Phosphor slime. Softly glowing hurdles of starlight. Rocks. Rock quartz. No, give me the rock quartz. Rock quartz. Rock quartz. And then if I remember correctly, you can chuck rock quartz at pink slimes, and they give you rock slimes. See, because like they're pooping out rock slimes, rock quartz. Ow. I should probably go sleep, to be honest. Let's go sleep. I'm gonna go sleep. Because it's only 7 o'clock, but still, that doesn't matter in this game. One time you go to bed, you still just wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning anyways. Almost there. And we're back. Okay. Let's turn these guys in. Three. Okay. Now let's go ahead and sleep. Sleep until morning. Cool. Alright. Let's just throw you in there. The others. Why are you out? In. Oh, they're getting all hungry. See, that's how they escape. They jump. See, look at that. Get back in. Floors. Phosphorus floor. Get back in there. Okay. Is there a new chicken that I can feed? Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's the rooster? Where's the roosteroo? Is that it? Elder Roosteroo? He changed. Get back. Stop running away. You're mine. Yeah, 5 tabby plorts. How much are tabby plorts? 23. Okay. Can I... What is the automatic feeder? 500. We're like 30 or 40 away. So... I need to get these rock slimes. I need to get these rock slimes. because I just can't keep using these pink plorts. Oh, I have 8 of them. I forgot I had collected them. Okay, we'll get 20 of these. Oh, and my phosphorus plort that I didn't turn in. No idea how much a phosphorus plort is. That's something that I have to do research, I guess. Okay. Are you coming home with me? Look how happy this guy is. This guy's happy. Almost back. Then I can put you down. I can fit you down. Okay, we're back. There. Okay. Let's turn these plorts in. And this and the phosphorus plort. Okay, it's even. Okay, how much are you? 20. Okay, let's get. Oh, you're not a rock plort anymore? Okay, never mind. Let's get the automatic feeder. Did I get the automatic feeder? Yes. Okay. So that's back here. Pick and choose. It's right click to suck up. I keep trying to press left click. And I'm like, it's not left click, bro. Okay. Carrots. So if I just press the button and they eat. Okay, I don't understand it quite yet. Let's turn this port in. Perfect. And what do you eat? You eat everything, don't you? Are you hungry? You don't seem too quickly hungry. Eat. Do I have to like shoot it in your mouth because you're not eating? Yeah, he's not eating. So pink rock largo, largo. These are just hens. I need another roosteroo. Where are your kind? Where are your kind hanging out? I need to find more roosteroos. Because that guy's old as fuck. Okay, come here. Rock slimes. Pink tabby. Where are... That's a hen. That's a hen. Where are the roosteroos? Ooh, a present. What? An ornament. A cloudy ornament. Collectible decoration for your ranch. Cool. Alright, where are these? Where? There. Here. What are you? Snowman. Ouch. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm sorry I ever decided to come out here. Ah! Rock slime. Almost back, then I can put these guys back in their corrals. And we're back. Okay, let's put these guys in there. Okay, let me take this guy. Chuck him. Because he went far as fuck. These guys is what I need. There we go. And they eat. What do they eat? Veggies. Okay, so with that in mind, I can have an automatic feeder for them too. And feed them. I just feed them carrots. Let's see if they'll eat a pomegranate. Will they eat a pomegranate? Or do they eat a pomegranate? No, they're not gonna eat a pomegranate. Let's put this somewhere. That's just gonna hang out there for now. No. Okay, let's see if I can. Okay. Yeah, it's just gonna hang out. That's funny. Alright. Did it go down? No, it's still 7. What is this? Oh, the Wikipedia. Don't need the Wikipedia. I know what everything does. Oh, crap. Oh, no, they're growing. Okay, they're growing slower than normal. The tabbies are hungry. And how did you escape? Boom. Nope. Nope, I missed. Shut up, you didn't see that. Okay, how are these guys going? Okay. One hen. So, no. Out the rooster shakes all of his feathers and no one cares. Damn right, watch this. Damn right, no one cares. There we go. Okay. They're fed. I need to go back to that area and get a whole bunch more and feed them. Cause they're just going at it on their own. So if I go get these hens and roosters that are over here in that little tube area, I can feed the tabby slams just fine. He can just be free. So let's go get these hens. Fuck. Get out of here. I need more of you. I think there's a plethora. Okay. Stony hen has a rock solid conviction chicken stuff. Oh, you have a cube fruit. Oh. I need more chickens? No? Okay, fine. 5 it is. Oh, there's strawberries? Cube berries. I think they're just cube berries. I think I'm just insane. Oh, all these Plorts. I'm a Plort hoarder. I don't have a problem, you have a problem. Okay, let's feed these tabbies. No, that's not what I want. out of here. I don't like that he's a fucking rock slime now. See, now they're kind of just fighting. Oh my god. Now they're all gonna fucking. Can I like pin him back? Nope. He escaped. Get back. These guys are fucking hard to keep. Mistakes were made in this episode. Okay, let's sleep. Now let's go ahead and get that automatic port collector. Oh, yeah, duh. It doesn't leave. It's not like Minecraft where you sleep and you can automatically leave. 4. Okay. Automatic port collector. Purchase. Sick. That is doing an awful job. Maybe it just needs this. Okay. It doesn't need to be back. Ah, ow. Why? Oh my god. Get in there. Get in there. Ow. Get in there. Okay, next episode, we're gonna get those higher walls. Cause that's ridiculous. Alright guys, without any further ado, I think I'm gonna go ahead and call this episode here. So, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really do greatly appreciate it. If you guys are new to the channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please leave a like. And as always, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.